Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and what I have here is a dog treat pouch that's portable, can connect to you, can go around your shoulders, go around your waist. And I'm gonna give you some close-up stats on this and why it makes it a little bit easier, especially when it comes to training dogs on, doing whatever you're not trying to do to train them. I've got everything hooked up that comes with this. So you have an over-the-shoulder strap that is fully adjustable. So you can just kind of hang it like this, put it around your shoulder, whatever it is. It also comes with almost like a belt option. So if you don't even have a belt, like in this situation, I don't even have a belt loop on. But if you wanted to have something like this to where you could then use the belt clip just like that, you can use that. Or there's actually loops here, so you can have it kind of like actually on your person, as they say, and that is adjustable. This can be adjusted, this situation, much larger. So if we're gonna go and just use this from the over-the-shoulder option, like in this example, the outside of it is covered in like this canvas style material. It has a pouch here on the outside, this one, and it's magnetic, which is kind of cool. Magnetic. Then on the inside, you also have this as a magnetic closure on the inside. You have one pouch, one main pouch, then a second interior pouch. You also have a clip here, so if you want to hang something like a leash or whatever it is, additional clips here. And so if you're training your dogs and you want something that is easy to use because of the not only size, convenience, but the magnetic closure for a couple different sizes, that and the main pouch and then the inner pouch. So it's easy. You can kind of a one-handed type thing. Very, very cool. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, hey, Ryan, can you give a little overview, a little tutorial? Tell us what you think about our dog treat. I'm going to call it a satchel. Hopefully, any and all your questions got answered. I will talk to you soon.